Hello, grade 2. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Today is a good day. Let us start our lesson. Last time, we learned about making addition stories. We write stories and adding numbers. Today, we will make a short story, but this time we will subtract numbers. Are you ready? Good. So today is week 9. It's a Tuesday, August 31, 2021. And it's about subtraction stories, episode 1. Please get your book and open on page 132. Okay, are you on page 132? Please get your math book and open on page 132. Alright, now let us start making a subtraction story. I have here Maddie, and Maddie has 948 buttons, and she will use 530 buttons for her blouses or beautiful dresses. That's a beautiful dress. Let's begin. Maddie had 948 buttons. She used 530 buttons to sew on some dresses and blouses. Now, how many buttons did she have left? Let's find out. Let us subtract. 948, the big number goes there. Take away 530, smaller number below. Okay, now let us start. 8 subtract 0. 8 take away 0 is 8. Okay, so we begin from the ones place. And next we go to the tens place. Where is your tens place? This one, tens place. Now, 4 take away 3. How much or how many is that? It's 4 take away 3. 1, 2, 3, 1. Next, we go to the hundreds place. Here, third column. 9 take away 5. So 9 fingers take away 5. This is 5. So I take away. And now we have 4. So the answer is 418. Maddie had 418 buttons left. That's a lot. Now, let's try answering page 132. Letter A. Do and learn. I have here two numbers. The first number is 989 and the second number is 274. Let's make a short story. Teacher will write, Lynn has 989 marbles. Lot has 274 marbles. And the question is, how many more marbles does Lynn have than Lot? Let's find out. Let's do the place value chart. In the ones place, and tens place, and hundred place, we have 989 take away 274. What do we do? From the ones place, let's subtract. 9 take away 4 is 5. And 8 take away 7, 5, 6, 7, 1. And 9 again, take away 2, 1, 2. You have 5, 6, 7. And the answer is 715. Lynn has 715 more marbles than Lot. Let's go to letter B. Okay, letter B. I have here 752 and 378. Let's make a story. Alan has 752 toys and AJ has 378 toys. The question is, how many toys does AJ have less than Alan? Okay, less. Let's start. Let's write the place value. 752 minus 378. Ones place. 2 minus 8. Cannot be. 2 is small number and 8 is a big number. So you cannot take away 8 from 2 because it's not enough. So we borrow from our neighbor. Tens place. So tens place we have 5. Now it will become 4. And 2 from the ones place will become 12. Now we can subtract. 8 in your mind and count 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many is this? 4. So I will write in the ones place 4. Now, tens place. 4 minus 7. 4, this is the number. We take away 7. Cannot be. So we borrow again from our neighbor. And that is hundreds place. 7 will now become 6. And 4 from the tens place will now become 14. So 14 minus 7. 7 in your mind. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So that is 7. Now, hundreds place. 6 take away 3. 1, 2, 3. And that is 3. So I will write here 3. So the answer, AJ has 374 fewer toys than Alan. Fewer toys means less than. So AJ has 374 less toys than Alan. So Alan has many toys because 752 is bigger than 378. Now we can do the last one. Letter C. Okay, let's do letter C. 800 and 458. I will write the hundreds place, tens place, and ones place for our place value. Now, I have here 800 take away 458. But oops, I forgot to write the story. What story can we write? I write Ruth has 800 baht. Wilma has 458 baht. And the question is, how much money does Ruth have more than Wilma? Let's find out. So 800 minus 458. We start from the ones place. 0 minus 8 cannot be. 8 is a bigger number than 0. So we borrow from our neighbor, tens place. But tens place is still 0. So we borrow from the hundreds place. 8. So 8 will become 7 because tens place will borrow from the hundreds place. So 0 here will now become 1, and that is 10. Now 10, and then ones place, the 0 will borrow from tens place because tens place is already 10. So ones place can borrow. So 0 will now become 9 from the tens place, and 0 from the ones place will now become 10. So now we can subtract. 10 minus 8, 10 fingers take away 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 2. And tens place. 9 take away 5. We have 4. And the hundreds place. 7 take away 4. We have 7 take away 4. We have 3. And that is the answer. Ruth has 342 baht more than Wilma. Now, let us rest our mind because tomorrow we will do a lot of subtraction stories. So you rest today, and tomorrow we begin with another lesson about subtraction stories. And this time it will be more than 3 items or 3 exercises. So I will say goodbye. See you tomorrow.